Yo, good afternoon guys. No, good morning. Yeah, good morning guys. Yeah, I just finished doing my laundry here in in my favorite Mayfield laundromat. That's it, let's move to another place. And now I'm going inside, to the grocery. I just took some different vegetable. There is carrots, there is eggplant, broccoli, zucchini. I don't know what else I'm going to get. I am also taking a handful of those mixed seafoods. $18 per kg. Thank you. And now I want to see shrimp paste. I don't know if there is shrimp paste here. Oh, actually this is enough because there is Asian shop at the other side. I'll go there. The total of this is $12. And just when you get out of this shopping mall, there is actually a Filipino shop. Where is it now? Yeah, just there next to Pizza Hut. I'm going to buy a shrimp paste. This is the Pizza Hut and this is the Filipino grocery. This is what I got. This is a sauteed shrimp paste. There is a electric vehicle charging station here at the Jesmond Central. When I was in Aldi, I realized that I forgot to lock my car. Let's check if it's locked. Oh, it's locked. It's good. Actually, I'm curious how it is inside. Yeah, a long time ago that I had a shrimp paste, a Filipino one. It smells good. Yeah, for Filipino it smells good. It smells delicious. For other people, for other nationality, they don't like it. In the Philippines, we actually eat this shrimp paste with the green mango. It's like a dipping sauce. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it is now almost 9 o'clock and we are here at the moment in Lake Haven here in Central Coast. Yeah, it is about an hour drive from Newcastle and then 2 hours drive from Nelson Bay. Yeah, Lake Haven Center. Along the way, I've seen Bunnings Warehouse, Anytime Fitness, and all other Australian top brands. It is still early, so most of the shops they are still closed. But Kmart is already open. Yeah. Also the grocery, they are also open already. I am going to get this chair. This $32. Yeah, I actually tried to sit to all of them and this is my favorite one. I mean, this one is comfortable, but it's too big. No space in the bun. Shops, they are open now, all of them. this part of the camping ground. As you can see, there's like a playground in here, but every corner is like a camping spot, similar to this tent. As you can see, a lot of plies. I don't know if you can see it. Too much plies. I remember when I was a kid, we have a carabao, and this kind of plies, it's always on the top, always on the skin of the carabao. Able to walk around, and actually now I'm preparing my meal. It's going to be just a mixed vegetable. As you can see in here, I have broccoli, zucchini, carrots, eggplant, onion, those, and I also have a shrimp paste, and actually seafoods. I have seafoods in the fridge. I'm just going to saute it. And that's it. That's going to be my dinner. So I'm basically just going to let it boil, cook the vegetable and the seafoods, and that's ready. Good morning, guys. So this is where I slept last night. It was good. Good sleep. I mean, it's very dark in here last night. This camping area is actually private. That's the house, and then this big round is their property. There is a barrier between the other property. So this like this first small ground, and there is another ground on that side. Also, there is a creek at the back of those trees. And there is one camper over there. I didn't see them yesterday came, so maybe they came in the night. And then there is another camper on that side, and I think somewhere more hidden somewhere there. Good place. I paid $26 for this stay, and the other price, they are about $40, $50. That's it. I'm going to leave this place now, and I'm going to look for a place where I can park and do some editing. Maybe a picnic ground or shopping mall with free parking, but there's no shopping mall in the I don't know actually. I'm going to search it. Oh, but this particular is Martinsville, the name of the suburb. And we are now here in the shopping center. Car park here at Westfield in Tagera. Tagera. This is big space, but just one floor shopping mall. The second floor is car park. I'm going to have my rice mill here. Just half of it. So I'm still here in Tagera, Westfield. It's actually already 4:13. Still a lot of cars, as you can see. We are going to the grocery later, and then I'm going to the gym later on in the night. Take a shower, workout, and this one is actually sparkling water, soda water. The sun is gone. I'm hungry and I'm going to eat again. I'm actually going to finish it all now. The inspiration of this is pakbet or pinakbet. Basically mixed vegetable with the shrimp paste. And seafoods. It can be pork, it can be, yeah, usually pork. Actually, I don't know what is the real ingredients of pinakbet. Yeah, all I know is it has shrimp paste. Yeah, and it has only shrimp paste. I did not even put salt or soy sauce, just shrimp paste. It's delicious. It is now 5:42. Yeah, it's dark already. And yeah, I'm going to the grocery. Going to buy something that I'm going to cook tomorrow. Shops are closed already, except for the grocery. We're here in Woolworths, and yeah, this smoked salmon is now just $6.93. Regular price is $13, but it's going to expire tomorrow. Like this chicken, $5.25. Regular price is $10.40. I'm looking for decaffeinated Nescafe. These at the top, they are decaffeinated. They are very cheap, just $3.70, $4. But I like the Nescafe this time. Yeah, this is the decaffeinated. It's $13.50 compared to the $4 decaffeinated home brand. I'm getting one of these, and I'm getting this one, $3.20. I actually also have apple here. This is $3 something or $4, I forgot. This $22 total.